The four sounds of Y.
Y, I, E. Y.
Used at the beginning of the word.
Yard. Year. Yacht. Yoke. Your. Yawn. Youth. Yummy. Yesterday.
I.
Latin and Greek roots, used in the middle of the syllable and at the end of the syllable.
Egypt. Lymph. Symbol. System. Gymnast. Bicycle. Oxygen. Cylinder. Typically.
I.
Most commonly used at the end of a one-syllable word. Also used at the end of the syllable, in the middle of the word. Used in the middle of the syllable.
Dry. Fry. Shy. Cycle. Tyrant. Dynamite. Bite. Style. Enzyme.
E.
Used at the end of multi-syllable base words.
Baby. Dusty. Family. Copy. Crazy. Lucky. Happy. Country. Company.